Welcome to Omni. Today we dive deep into the vibrant, chaotic world of the clownfish and its extraordinarily specialized visual system. Beneath the ocean waves lies a complex coral reef, teeming with life and an overwhelming amount of constant visual turbulence everywhere. In this incredibly dynamic environment, the iconic orange and white clownfish navigates through a dense forest of swaying sea anemone tentacles. To survive here, this tiny creature relies on a highly evolved biological mechanism, hidden right inside its tiny, beautifully fascinating eyes. The visual biology of the species features a unique form of trichromacy, allowing them to process 3 distinct color channels easily. However, their specific color sensitivity is vastly different from many other marine species, sharing this exact same bright, underwater tropical habitat. Ocean water naturally absorbs and scatters sunlight, creating a dominant blue hue that easily washes out crucial details in the distance. This intense blue light scattering creates a thick visual fog, making it exceptionally difficult to spot approaching predators or tiny prey. To overcome this severe optical challenge, clownfish possess highly specialized cone cells, engineered to detect the ultraviolet light spectrum perfectly well. Ultraviolet vision serves as a biological superpower, piercing through the dense blue haze that blinds so many other ocean dwellers daily. By perceiving ultraviolet rays, the clownfish can easily separate the image of important objects from the heavily scattered blue water background. This remarkable adaptation allows them to clearly identify their host anemones, even when surrounded by visually noisy and confusing water currents. Without this ultraviolet sensitivity, finding a safe shelter among the stinging tentacles would be a dangerous and nearly impossible daily task. The ultraviolet contrast dramatically highlights the specific shapes of food particles drifting slowly through the seemingly endless expanse of the ocean. Their eyes act like advanced cameras, filtering out unnecessary wavelengths to reveal a hidden world of sharp edges and clear boundaries. Beyond just the physical structure of the eye, the clownfish possesses a highly sophisticated neurological processing system within its tiny brain. This incredible nervous system has naturally developed complex image filtering algorithms to handle the massive influx of constant visual data smoothly. These natural algorithms function exactly like modern noise reduction software, instantly clearing up the overall picture for the busy little fish. The coral reef is always moving, with plants and animals swaying rhythmically to the continuous pulse of the strong ocean currents. All of this constant background motion creates a massive amount of visual noise that could easily overwhelm a less evolved brain. Fortunately, the clownfish brain is perfectly wired to completely ignore these useless environmental signals and focus entirely on what truly matters. By filtering out the rhythmic swaying of nearby corals, the fish maintains an absolute state of extreme focus on its surroundings. This intense concentration is completely necessary for detecting the smallest, most unusual movements that might indicate a hidden predator approaching quickly. When a tiny crustacean darts across the visual field, the clownfish spots it instantly, completely ignoring the chaotic background moving behind. Their ability to lock onto a target amidst such extreme environmental distraction is a true marvel of marine biology and evolution. Scientists have studied these fascinating visual systems to better understand how animal brains process complex information in highly dynamic natural environments. The integration of ultraviolet vision and advanced neurological filtering gives the clownfish a massive survival advantage in a highly competitive ecosystem. Every single detail of their vision has been sculpted by millions of years of evolution to ensure their continued aquatic survival. Notice how the light dances across the reef, creating moving shadows that would easily confuse any ordinary creature swimming nearby today. Yet the clownfish remains completely calm and focused, darting precisely toward its target with absolute confidence and unparalleled visual clarity, always. The bright orange coloration of the clownfish also plays a role in how they are perceived by others in the reef. But to another clownfish with ultraviolet vision, these colors might appear entirely different, perhaps revealing hidden patterns invisible to human eyes. This secret visual language could be essential for communication and mating within the highly structured social hierarchy of the sea anemone. As we look closer at the eye of the clownfish, we can see the intricate reflection of the surrounding underwater world. Those specialized cone cells are constantly working, absorbing specific photons of light and translating them into vital electrical signals instantly now. The speed at which their brain processes these signals is truly astonishing, allowing for split-second reactions to any sudden danger. Imagine viewing the world through a lens that perfectly highlights exactly what you need, while softly blurring out all the distractions. That is the daily reality for these incredible fish as they navigate the beautiful but treacherous landscape of the coral reef. The relationship between the clownfish and its anemone is famous, but their visual connection to the environment is equally deeply fascinating. They do not just live in the reef. They are perfectly tuned to its exact optical frequencies and unique light signatures. Let us explore further into the mechanics of high-contrast vision and how it shapes the daily behavior of this fish. High contrast allows the clownfish to easily distinguish between the subtle textures of the reef and the smooth surface of predators. In the murky depths, where shadows blend together, having a high-contrast visual system is the ultimate key to avoiding death. The ultraviolet spectrum provides that necessary contrast, turning a potentially blurry blue canvas into a sharply defined map of survival opportunities. Every darting movement, every sudden stop is guided by this constant stream of highly filtered, perfectly enhanced visual data flowing inward. We often think of human vision as the ultimate standard, but the ocean requires a completely different set of optical tools. The clownfish proves that sometimes seeing less of the useless background noise means seeing much more of the truly important details. Their brain throws away gigabytes of useless visual information every single second, keeping only the most critical alerts for immediate action. This incredible efficiency is what allows them to thrive in one of the most visually chaotic environments on our entire planet. As the sun moves across the sky above, the angle of light hitting the reef changes, altering the underwater visual landscape. Despite these shifting light conditions, the clownfish maintains its sharp vision, constantly adjusting its internal filters to match the new reality. Their eyes are dynamic instruments, capable of handling bright midday glare and the dim, fading light of the late ocean afternoon. The ultraviolet rays penetrate the water differently at various times of day, providing a constantly shifting but reliable source of contrast. Observing them hunt for tiny plankton reveals the true power of their specialized vision in real time, right before our eyes. They pick out microscopic morsels from the rushing water with the precision of a master archer hitting an incredibly tiny target. Without their unique natural image algorithms, these tiny food particles would be completely lost in the swirling chaos of the current. But to the clownfish, the food glows against the background, a clear signal amidst a sea of completely irrelevant visual noise. This level of biological engineering makes the clownfish one of the most successful and resilient inhabitants of the entire coral reef. Their vibrant colors may attract our attention, but it is their hidden visual prowess that truly guarantees their long-term survival. Let us delve deeper into the specific neural pathways that make this incredible feat of natural image processing completely possible today. Signals travel from the specialized ultraviolet cones directly into the optic tectum, the primary visual processing center of the fish brain. Here, millions of neurons work in perfect harmony to analyze the incoming data, instantly separating the moving objects from the background. The swaying of the anemone is recognized as a repetitive, safe pattern and is quickly downgraded in terms of visual priority. Meanwhile, the erratic, unpredictable movement of a tiny shrimp is immediately flagged as a high-priority target, requiring instant predatory action. This rapid sorting mechanism is essential because a delayed reaction in the ocean often means missing a meal or becoming one. The clownfish operates on a razor-thin margin of error, where perfect vision is the only thing standing between life and death. Through the lens of an advanced underwater camera, we can attempt to simulate what the clownfish actually sees in its environment. By applying a digital ultraviolet filter, the previously hidden world of extreme contrast suddenly snaps into sharp, crystal-clear focus instantly. The anemone tentacles, once blending into the blue background, now stand out as distinct, clearly defined shapes offering safe, secure shelter. This simulation helps us truly appreciate the profound evolutionary gift that these small, beautiful fish have developed over countless past millennia. Their eyes are a testament to the incredible power of natural selection, shaping biology to perfectly match the demands of physics. The interaction between light, water, and biology creates a complex web of survival strategies that we are only just beginning to understand. As we continue to study the clownfish, we uncover more secrets about the fundamental nature of visual perception in the animal kingdom. Their ability to ignore visual noise could even inspire new developments in artificial intelligence and modern computer vision systems very soon. Imagine robotic cameras that can naturally filter out rain or snow, focusing only on the important objects moving in the distance. The biological blueprints found in the ocean hold the key to solving many complex engineering challenges we face in technology today. Nature has already spent millions of years perfecting these algorithms, and the clownfish is a living, breathing prototype of this success. Watching them elegantly weave through the deadly tentacles of their host is a beautiful dance of absolute trust and visual precision. They never accidentally brush against a stinging cell, thanks to their flawless ability to judge distance and shape in the water. Every single movement is calculated, guided by a visual system that never rests and never fails to provide accurate environmental data. The ocean is a harsh, unforgiving place, but the clownfish has carved out a safe niche through the power of sight. Their story is a powerful reminder that survival is not just about physical strength, but about how clearly you see the world. In the grand tapestry of the coral reef, the clownfish plays a small but incredibly vital role in the overall ecosystem. Their unique visual adaptations ensure that they will continue to thrive, bringing vibrant life and bright color to the ocean depths. We must protect these fragile underwater environments so that future generations can continue to marvel at these extraordinary biological visual wonders. The delicate balance of the reef depends on the survival of every species, each perfectly adapted to its own unique niche. From the microscopic plankton to the largest predators, every creature relies on its senses to navigate the complex web of life. The clownfish, with its ultraviolet vision and advanced neural filtering, stands as a shining example of evolutionary brilliance in the sea. As our journey through the visual world of the clownfish comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation. We now understand that the true beauty of this fish lies not just on its skin, but deep within its eyes. The hidden mechanisms of biology are often more fascinating than the obvious physical traits we see on the surface every day. Science allows us to peel back the layers of mystery and reveal the astonishing truth about how animals experience their world. We hope this deep dive into marine biology has changed the way you look at the vibrant life within the ocean. The next time you see a clownfish, remember the incredible biological technology operating silently inside its tiny, perfectly adapted little head. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of the natural world and the hidden wonders of complex animal vision. We will continue to bring you more incredible stories of science, biology, and the amazing creatures that share our beautiful planet. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and thank you for watching Omni Eyes, your window into the wonders of nature.